this is Linus Van Pelt. Remember to stay on your seat for the whole trip and keep your arms, legs, and blankets inside the cars at all times. We're on our way to camp. There's a lot to see along the way. Oh! There's Charlie Brown and Snoopy fishing along the creek. Good old Charlie Brown. Of all the Charlie Browns in the world, he's the Charlie Browniest. Good grief! Poor Schroeder! I don't think Beethoven ever had to lug luggage. My sister Lucy has no idea what roughing it means. Scoutmaster Snoopy and the Beagle Scouts reporting for duty. They're on the right track. Hey Sally, hey Franklin, any luck catching butterflies? I read that butterflies start out as little caterpillars before building a cocoon and finally becoming a full-grown butterfly. Don't tell Sally, but when Sally calls me her sweet baboo, I want to build a cocoon. Snoopy's brother Spike lives out here in the desert someplace, but no one has seen him for years and years. Oh, there he is! Good grief! Spike, are you holding a tumbleweed race out here with the cactus? The desert sure is a lonely place. Camp right over this bridge. There's Charlie Brown's tent, Pigpen's tent, and there's my trusty blanket. Talk about all the comforts of home. Scoutmaster Snoopy and his Beagle Scouts made it to camp. Good job, Scouts. What better reward for a 5-mile hike than delicious s'mores? You'll want to hike some more. Next up, Ghost Stories, starring the Great Pumpkin.
Alrighty, campers, your ride slowly coming to an end. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your stay here at Camp Snoopy.
Well, folks, here we are at Camp Snoopy Depot. I hope you enjoy the trip. Have a great day, campers.